Hello students, in earlier lecture we have seen the derivatives of parametric functions, the derivatives of one function with respect to another functions and some examples based on it. Students, in this lecture we will see the higher order derivatives. In higher order derivative, we are going to study only second order derivatives and some examples based on it. Now first we see what is meant by higher order derivatives. If f of x is a differentiable function of x on an open interval of I, then its derivative is f dash of x is also a function on I. So f dash of x may have a derivative of its own denoted as f double dash of x. This new function f double dash of x is called as second derivative of f of x. By Leibniz notation, we write the second derivative of y equal to f of x as f double dash of x is equal to d square y upon dx square. This is called as second order derivative. Further, f double dash of x is a differentiable function of x. Then its derivative is denoted as f triple dash of x equal to d cube y upon dx cube, and this is known as third order derivative. This third order derivative is also a function. Therefore, fourth derivative of this is usually denoted by f fourth order derivative of x equal to dy dx of d cube y upon dx cube equal to d raised to 4y upon dy raised to 4. Here instead of y we write x dx raised to 4. This is called as fourth order derivative. In general, nth order derivative of f of x is denoted by f raised to n of x is equal to d raised to ny upon dx raised to n, and this is called as nth order derivative. That is dy by dx comma d square y by dx square comma d cube y by dx cube comma d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4, so on d raised to ny upon dx raised to n. All these are called higher order derivatives. The higher order derivatives may also be denoted by the notations y2, y3, y4, so on yn. Now in this lecture, we see the second order derivative and examples on it. Second order derivative is denoted by d square y by dx square. Now we see examples. Find the second order derivatives of the following functions. Number first, e raised to 2x into tan x. Number second example, x cube into log x. And third example is x raised to x or x to the power x. Now answer for first example. Consider given example as y equal to e raised to 2x into tan x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, and to the RHS use product rule. Therefore, derivative of y is dy upon dx equal to e raised to 2x into dy dx of tan x plus tan x as it is into dy dx of e raised to 2x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to e raised to 2x into derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x as it is into derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. Now taking e raised to 2x common, we get dy upon dx equal to e raised to 2x into in bracket sec square x plus 2 into tan x. Now again differentiate this above equation with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of dy by dx is equal to d square y upon dx square equal to. Now here also use product rule, e raised to 2x as it is into, in bracket, 2 into sec x into dy dx of sec x plus 2 into sec square x bracket complete plus, in bracket, sec square x plus 2 into tan x bracket complete into derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. Therefore, d square y upon dx square is equal to e raised to 2x into, in bracket, 2 sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus 2 sec square x bracket complete plus 2 into e raised to 2x into, in bracket, sec square x plus 2 into tan x. Now d square y by dx square equal to, taking 2 into e raised to 2x common, in square bracket, in open bracket, here remains sec square x into tan x plus sec square x open bracket complete plus, in another bracket, sec square x plus 2 into tan x second bracket complete square bracket complete. That is d square y upon dx square is equal to 2 into e raised to 2x into, in bracket, 2 sec square x plus sec square x into tan x plus 2 tan x. That is d square y by dx square equal to 2 into e raised to 2x. Here taking sec square x common, in bracket remains 2 plus tan x bracket complete plus 2 tan x as it is. That is d square y by dx square equal to 2 into e raised to 2x. Here putting value of sec square x is 1 plus tan square x into 2 plus tan x plus 2 into tan x as it is. Now this is the second order derivative of the first example. Now we see answer for second example. Consider y is equal to x cube into log x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy upon dx equal to the RHS. This is the product of two functions. Therefore, use product rule. First function x cube as it is into derivative of log x plus log x as it is into derivative of x cube. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to x cube as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square by using the formula dy dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore, further dy upon dx is equal to x cube upon x means x square plus log x into 3x square. Now taking x square common, we get dy upon dx equal to x square into, in bracket, 1 plus 3 into log x. Now we take here second derivative, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of dy upon dx is d square y upon dx square equal to the RHS, again use product rule, x square as it is, in bracket, derivative of 1 plus 3 log x is 0 plus 3 and derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3 log x as it is into derivative of x square is 2x. Therefore, d square y upon dx square equal to x square into 3 upon x plus 1 plus 3 into log x into 2x. Therefore, d square y upon dx square. Here x cancel out, remains only 3x plus 2x into in bracket 1 plus 3 into log x. Now taking x common to the RHS, we get d square y by dx square equal to x into in bracket 3 plus 2 plus 6 into log x. Now taking addition of 3 and 2, we get d square y upon dx square equal to x into in bracket 5 plus 6 into log x. That is, this is the second order derivative of second example. Now answer for third example. Consider given equation again. Y is equal to x raised to x. Now here RHS is the one function is the power of another function. Therefore, for taking the derivative, we use logarithmic differentiation here. Taking log on both sides, therefore we get log y is equal to log of x raised to x. Now here use formula for logarithm. Log a raised to b is equal to b into log a. Therefore we get log y is equal to x into log x. Now we can take derivative, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Because log y is a composite function, suppose y is a u in mind, then we get log u. Derivative of log u is 1 upon u into du by dx. Therefore, derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy upon dx equal to, in the RHS, here is a product of two functions. We use product rule. First function as x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1. Say this as a equation number first. Therefore, 1 upon y into dy upon dx equal to x upon x means 1 plus log x into 1 means log x. Now taking y other sides, dy by dx is equal to y into in bracket 1 plus log x bracket complete. Say this as the equation number second. Now differentiate this equation second with respect to x again. Then we get d square y upon dx square, derivative of dy by dx means d square y upon dx square equal to y as it is into derivative of 1 plus log x is, derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus 1 plus log x as it is into derivative of y is dy upon dx. Therefore, d square y upon dx square equal to, now we know that value of y is x raised to x. Putting value we get here x raised to x upon x plus 1 plus log x into y into 1 plus log x, because here value of dy by dx is 1 plus log x into y. Therefore, further d square y upon dx square is equal to x raised to x into x raised to minus 1. Now here 1 upon x means x raised to minus 1. By using formula for the index, we can write here x raised to x into x raised to minus 1 plus value of y is again x raised to x into 1 plus log x into 1 plus log x means 1 plus log x bracket square. Therefore, d square y upon dx square equal to, now here base is equal, taking addition at the index we get x raised to x minus 1 plus x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x bracket square. That is, this is the second order derivative for the given function. Now we see another type of examples here. Example second, find d square y upon dx square. if x is equal to 2 into a into t square and y is equal to 4 into a into t. Answer for this example. Consider first equation x is equal to 2 into a into t square. Say this as equation star. And second equation is y is equal to 4 into a into t. Now differentiate both equations with respect to t. Therefore, derivative of x is dx upon dt equal to derivative of 2at square is 4 into a into t. Say this as equation number first. And derivative of second equation, derivative of y is dy upon dt and derivative of 4 into a into t. Derivative of t is 1. Therefore, dy upon dt is equal to 4a. Say this as equation number second. Now we know that parametric rule dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. Say this as equation number third. From equations first, second and third we get dy upon dx equal to 4a upon 4 into a into t. Now 4a upon 4a cancel out. Remains only dy upon dx equal to 1 upon t. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, putting the value of t from equation star, 1 upon under root x upon 2a. That is value of t is here under root x upon 2a. Therefore, we can write dy upon dx equal to under root 2 into a into x raised to minus 1 upon 2. So differentiate this equation with respect to x again. Derivative of dy upon dx is d square y upon dx square equal to minus 1 upon 2 into under root 2a into x raised to minus 3 by 2. That is here derivative of x raised to minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 3 by 2 into under root 2a as it is. Therefore, d square y upon dx square is equal to under root 2a upon minus 2 into x raised to minus 3 by 2 can be written as 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2 by using formula for the index. Therefore, d square y upon dx square is equal to under root 2a upon minus 2 into 1 upon in bracket 2a into t square bracket raised to 3 by 2. Now from equation 1 here value of x is 2 into a into t square. Now d square y by dx square is equal to under root 2a upon minus 2 into 1 upon, here taking power separately we can write here under root 2a into 2a and t square raised to 3 by 2. Now under root 2a upon under root 2a cancel. Remains only d square y upon dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 4 into a into t raised to 3. Here t square raised to 3 by 2 square cancel, remains only t cube. Therefore we get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 4 into a into t raised to 3. This is the second order derivative for the example second. Now we see example third, which is another type of example. If y is equal to sine of in bracket m into cos inverse x, then show that in bracket 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy upon dx plus m square into y equal to 0. Now answer for this example. Consider given equation, which is y is equal to sine of in bracket m into cos inverse x. Now taking sine another side, we can write here sine inverse of y is equal to m into cos inverse x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of sine inverse of y by using composite rule 1 upon under root 1 minus y square into derivative of y dy upon dx equal to m as it is derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now rearranging term we can write under root 1 minus x square into dy upon dx is equal to minus m into under root 1 minus y square. Now squaring on both sides this equation we can write in bracket 1 minus x square into dy by dx bracket square equal to square of minus is plus into m square into 1 minus y square. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. To the LHS we can use product rule, first function 1 minus x square as it is into derivative of second function that is dy dx of dy upon dx bracket square plus second function dy upon dx bracket square as it is into dy dx of in bracket 1 minus x square bracket complete equal to m square as it is into dy dx of 1 minus y square. Therefore 1 minus x square into derivative of dy dx raised to 2 is 2 into dy upon dx into d square y upon dx square plus in bracket dy upon dx bracket square into derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x is equal to m square into derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus y square is minus 2y into derivative of y dy upon dx because y square is a composite function. Now dividing throughout by 2 into dy upon dx we can write in bracket 1 minus x square into d square y upon dx square minus x into dy upon dx is equal to minus m square into y. Therefore, in bracket 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy upon dx plus m square into y equal to 0. This is the required proof. Now using methods we can solve the remaining examples from the exercise. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.